The secret to creating fresh and luminous watercolors is having the right tools. I'm going to show you how I use this set of brushes by Princeton Aqua Elite to achieve different effects in this painting of the Oregon coast. Quality paper and paints are also essential for getting the best results. I'm using Saunders Waterford 140-pound cold-pressed watercolor paper and an assortment of Maimeri blue paints. Now, because watercolor painting relies so much on timing, it's essential to have a big brush for washes. This 1.5-inch Mottler brush is perfect for skies, water, or for blocking in large masses of color quickly and efficiently. Shadow areas can sometimes look messy and overworked, but using a big brush will help. I used the Mottler brush to paint in this massive cliff shadow. The 3/4-inch oval wash brush is like having 3 brushes in one. The flat side can be used for broad washes, like here in the background tree slope and ocean water, or you can turn the brush on its narrow side for medium brush strokes, and the fine tip can be used for detail work, like you see here on the cliff face. With your block-in finish, the size 12 round brush is probably the one you'll use most on a painting like this. With a full belly and finely tapered point, it allows for precision and detail while also covering a lot of surface area quickly. Your round brushes are going to be your go-to tools for specific shapes and details. I used my size 12 brush for all the tree shapes in this painting. The long bristles are perfect for creating a loose and calligraphy-like look to these evergreen branches. For even smaller details like the ocean waves and rocky shoreline, I switched to the size 8 round brush. These Aqua Elite brushes work together like a fine-tuned musical quartet to create a vibrant and exciting final painting.